Your videos suck. They just do. The sooner you learn how to make good, great videos that people actually want to watch, the sooner you'll get views.
Hello guys, if you want to learn how to get more views, then see this clip from MrBeast, who is one of the biggest YouTubers. He has around 400 million subscribers, and the advice he has for new YouTubers is very, very important. I do not want you to skip out on this video. Watch till the end to see all of the tips, and at the end I will also provide a special golden tip for those of you that stay till then. I am also applying these to my own channel, so let's grow together. Let's get into the video right now.
Just get to work and start uploading. Is make 100 videos and improve something every time. And then on your 101st video, we'll start talking, like maybe you can get some views.
So he says your videos are not as good as you think they are. If they were good, they would get views, they would get clicks, but that is not happening right now. Your videos might be getting 5, 10 views, maybe even 0 views. And there is a reason for this. Your baby is ugly. Let me explain what I mean by that. Your baby is ugly means that you think your videos are so good, but they're not that good. So you need to improve your videos. But how do we improve that? What did MrBeast say in this video? He said your first video is not going to get views. Your first 10 videos are not going to get views. Your first 100 videos might not even get a lot of views. On your 101st video, come and talk to me. That's what he said. So your expectations are too high, bro. Make an improvement on every single video that you do. Improve the sound on one of them. Improve the image quality in the next one. On the next one, have better confidence in your voice. On the next one, make the story better. On the next one, have a good ending. Just keep improving something on each and every time, and you will improve your videos. And it will eventually start getting more views, 50 views, 100 views, and it will keep growing from there. I'm from Somalia. In my country, there is a saying, an elephant doesn't know what's on its own back. That means that we don't know what mistakes we are making. So you need to get a second opinion from someone else. Maybe someone even in your audience. Find whoever watches your videos and ask them, are my videos good? Do you like these videos? Maybe you can ask someone offline, just show them your video and just ask them, get some feedback. Because how do you even know your videos are good? You don't know because you're the one that's making them. It's hard to criticize your own work. An elephant doesn't know what's on its own back. So that was one of the tips, to set low expectations. Your expectations must not be too high. People think that they can blow up on their first video. That is not usually correct. Okay, maybe some people can do that if they have amazing personality and amazing editing or amazing video creation, but most of the time it doesn't happen. If this video is helping you out so far, then I ask you to click that subscribe button to subscribe to Tube Hustle, to join this community. If you want to grow your YouTube channel, here is where we have all of the tips from the world of YouTube, and I condense them and I provide them to you here. This is a community of YouTubers who are all learning from each other. So let's learn and grow together. I am applying these tips to my own channel. So hit that subscribe button to stay in touch with this community. Join this amazing YouTuber community. So let's just summarize what we did so far. You have to improve your videos every single time. Don't think that your videos are amazing. They might not be as amazing as you think they are. Keep improving every single time. This is something... Okay, my mic keeps dropping. Stop dropping. Don't worry, I'll fix that later, okay? The YouTube algorithm does not hate you, okay? The YouTube algorithm just takes your video and it suggests it to people that it thinks should watch your video. If those people don't click, it tries with another group of people. If they don't click, it goes with another one, and it goes to another one. It does that a few times. If your video gets a lot of views and everybody likes it and watches the whole thing or most of the video, and they comment and they subscribe and they watch all of your other videos after that, then what happens is your video will go viral. If a lot of people are clicking, that is a high click-through rate. You can see that in your analytics. If a lot of people are clicking and they are watching, so you get high watch time as well, and they watch a lot of your other videos, that's called session time, then that gives YouTube a signal to start pushing your video out to more people. And when I say pushing out, I mean it's going to recommend it. It's going to put it on the sidebar, and it's going to put it at the end of videos, and it's going to put it on the home screen as well. These are all called suggested and recommended. If you get into that, which is where 90% of the views come from on YouTube, not really search. Search has some views. Most of the views come from suggested and recommended and all of that. So try to get into that. Apply these skills. Okay, the next tip is knowledge. Start a notepad on your computer right now and call it YouTube Tips, and write down everything you learn about YouTube, growing on YouTube, improving everything on your videos, on your editing, all of that. Just put it in your notes. Just make some organized notes of that and keep reviewing them and keep learning and keep applying. This is all knowledge. Do you know what MrBeast said? If I started again right now, he said I could get 10 million subscribers in 6 months. In 6 months. This is because he said that if you knew what I know, then you would be able to do that as well. It's all about knowledge. This is a skill that you grow. It's like a martial art. It's like learning to play the guitar. You don't just pick up a guitar and become a great rock star and become a great musician. It takes time. So the same thing applies here. Learn YouTube. Keep learning it. The best place to learn this is on this channel here, Tube Hustle. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. This is Mahad here. Let's make it to the top together. Grind, not stop. No pain, no gain. You fail to plan, you plan to fail. Comment down below, which of these tips do you actually like? Which of them are important to you? The tips that we went through. Okay, over here I have another video about another YouTuber who actually grew so fast. Click right here to learn from that video as well.